Senator Brian Daly yesterday came together for an afternoon debate. KCBS's Mike DeWald reports this is the only time the two candidates will meet face-to-face before all the votes are tallied.
Two very different views for California between these candidates in a race that's largely failed to ignite the state's voters. On one hand, Republican State Senator Brian Daly painting the governor as out of touch and throwing money at issues with little accountability.
The policies that this governor's put forth don't work in California. Californians are suffering from the cost of living in California.
On the other, Governor Newsom arguing that Daly's views are out of step on issues important to voters in the Golden State.
Right, in every single instance, you've opposed common sense efforts to address the issue of climate change.
Issues aside, Newsom's own political ambitions taking center stage.
I want to start out by thanking the governor for taking time out of his going forward on his dream of being president of the United States and actually coming to California and having a debate.
The governor has run campaign ads in Florida and Texas. He was pressed on his future plans.
You were asking voters for 4 more years. Do you commit to serving all 4?
Yes. I've barely been out of state. I was out of state for a few hours to take on his party.
Polls have shown Newsom to be a heavy favorite in his re-election bid. Mike DeWald, KCBS.
If you want to vote by mail in the upcoming election, today is the last day to register. KCBS's Margie Schaefer reports tracking your vote by mail ballot here in California has never been easier.
If you want to keep things easy and vote by mail, today is the last day to register, and you can do that by filling out a voter registration card found at most city halls, libraries, and post offices, or by going online at registertovote.ca.gov. Residents can still register to vote after today, but will be required to vote in person. The Secretary of State's office explains its Where's My Ballot tracking tool is available statewide.
All counties offer a new service called Where's My Ballot, which provides automatic updates on the status of your vote-by-mail ballot by email, text message, or voice call.
Universal vote by mail became permanent last year when Governor Newsom signed a bill passed by the state legislature. The effort began as a temporary measure in